हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 76 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। ये आपकी बुक 2 कंपोजिशन है और चैप्टर नंबर 11 है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। तो शुरू करते हैं अपनी एक्सरसाइज। यहाँ दिया हुआ है कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग सिंपल सेंटेंसेस टू कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस ईच कंटेनिंग अ नाउन क्लॉज। पहला है आई सॉ अ वुंडेड बर्ड। तो इसका क्या होगा? आई सॉ अ बर्ड that was wounded. Rama is happy in his present class. Rama is happy in the class where he is at present. The man near me is my brother. The man who is near me is my brother. Our Guru is a man of blameless life. Our Guru is a man who leads a blameless life. Your father is the man to help you in this matter. Your father is the man who can help you this matter. The value of exercise is great. The value which exercise has is great. Was this the deed of a good man? Was this the deed that a good man would do? I was the first to hear the news. I was the first who heard the news. These are not the methods of business. These are not the methods which are adopted in business. The classroom is not the place for the boys to play in. The classroom is not the place where boys can play. He is hardly the boy to do credit to the school. He is hardly the boy that can do credit to the school. He liked his former place. He liked the place where he lived formerly. Smoke, the certain indicator of fire, appeared in the mind. Smoke, which is the indicator of fire, appeared in the mind. I was the first to arrive. I was the first who arrived. That is not the way to answer. That is not the way that it should be answered. It was the work of a wild animal. It was the work which was done by a wild animal. He is the water carrier. He is the man who carries water. I have nowhere to sit. I have no place where I can sit. My friend, the magistrate of this place, is on leave. My friend, who is the magistrate of this place, is on leave. He sat outside on a stone in the compound. Sat outside on a stone which was in the compound. ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज। सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। अगली एक्सरसाइज।